Hi, it's Amy from Select Travel Holidays, home of Cruise Select. I am on the Sylvia Earle. This will actually be my third night on board. We have finally finished the notorious Drake Passage crossing. That was yesterday and today. I must admit, I did suffer with it yesterday. Even though they say it's actually the calmest crossing they've had of the season, it just goes to show what wuss pants I am, unfortunately. So I did feel quite sorry for myself yesterday, but I've been an entirely different person today. I think I did actually feel a bit better by dinner time yesterday, and I think that did help me. I had a few ginger beers and a bit of food and went back to bed, slept well. I must say, actually, I've been sleeping beautifully in this cabin. I don't know if part of the, because actually the movement I've not minded when I've been lying down, but I think yesterday I did suffer with it. But now, hopefully, fingers crossed, touch wood, all of that jazz. I've got my sea legs, but we've now done the Drake Passage, so we're now in the peninsula, which is now a lot calmer, thank God. So, as I say, about to go on my first zodiac crossing, which is very exciting. So we had a briefing earlier in which they explained what was going to happen this evening / tomorrow, sort of plan A. We are going to have our first zodiac cruise, as I say, in a matter of minutes. The first people have been called to the mudroom. Not everyone gets called at the same time because otherwise it gets too crowded. But after the briefing, we did pop up outside to have a look at some icebergs, and we saw oh my god, so many whales. It was incredible. And we even saw this little playful seal. It was so sweet. I mean, it was just almost just too much, just sort of like just trying to take it in, soak it in. And also, so as much as I wanted to take photos, videos, I mean, I attempted to, but visibility was fine for the eyesight, but not so much for at least my style of photography anyway. But absolutely incredible. First there was here, and it just seemed to be like we were surrounded by them almost. As I say, very playful seal, which is adorable. And then suddenly it seemed like the wildlife went quiet, and we could just really focus on the icebergs. And we're sort of approaching two, and we were like, "Are we going to sail through the middle of it?" It was just incredible, just an intoxicating, mind-blowing moment. And because I hadn't quite, anticipated that we'd be popping up out, so I was just wearing jeans and jumper. I had brought my part of just the water resistant bit with the hood. This is our 3-in-1 expedition jacket that I got when I arrived on board. But so I did get a bit chilly, and I was like, okay, that's a good tester for what to wear for the Zodiac. So they do say that it does take maybe people sort of adjust after a while. So I mean, I can't show you everything but I have got my base layer thermals. I have underneath this, don't worry, I have got sort of fleece lined trousers on underneath, but they're not waterproof. So I've got waterproof ski trousers on here. As I say, I've got my thermal base. I've got like this sort of fleecy. I have got my gaiter, which I think, because they said bring a hat, I don't know, I might be able to do it like this. But I think I look like those, was it the Russian Granny Eurovision entry from, I think it was 2014. So I don't know, I might, because obviously this does have a hood on it, but maybe if I wear my, wait a second, maybe if I, oh no, that's another polo shoot, not that. Wear this beanie. So I've got my gaiter, I've got my beanie. I've actually got, this is also part of the expedition jacket. Because of course this is going to be a Zodiac cruise rather than, we're not going to be doing a landing today. So it's not like it's going to be like a Zodiac shuttle service. So it will be a little bit longer perhaps in the Zodiac, and sometimes you're more exposed. There's the wind chill is actually going to be a factor more so today. And I have got my gloves to wear, and these waterproof mittens for over the glove liners. So that is what I'm going to wear for my first Zodiac cruise. It might be too much, it might be just right, but this is what I will be looking to see. So I mean, I won't be able to post this immediately because photos seem to be posting okay, but videos not so much. So you'll actually be able to see pretty much further updates by the time. Oh, actually, I'm just rambling now. I'm going to shut up now because they might call me soon to the mudroom, which is very exciting for my first Zodiac cruise. So I must say I've been so impressed by Sylvia Earle and AE Expeditions. The expedition crew, or E-team, are fantastic, and also just the non-E-team crew are also so friendly, so personable. But obviously there will be more updates and more information to come. So